little bit weak eyes because it's still early morning. I just came out from the shower. Guys, when you're traveling, think of jet lag. We are still in super jet lag this week.
Yeah.
Waking up 2 o'clock in the morning, 3, and then, yeah, here we are. We can start our day. Yeah.
So guys.
So it's now 6:30. We will start doing some Fijian
Lolo Bun, yeah. So today's vlog.
I mean, my husband will do that. I will go do my work. And I had already my shower, but my husband, he will do some traditional Fijian Lolo Bun. Just a small portion because it's just 2 of us. And then, yeah, see you later.
Let's go, Toso boys. Okay guys, now we'll run through the ingredients. So just normal baking flour with some sugar, butter, oil, and yeast. All right, let's go. Okay guys, so first 2 cups of flour. So first guys we'll mix our dry ingredients. And then yeast.
Hey guys, sorry for interrupting my husband here, but I have a question on you. Like, as you know, Christmas season is coming very soon, and we're starting from the 3rd of December with like counting the days until Christmas is there. So my question is, if you would like to have some recipes for typical German Christmas biscuits. I mean, like my mom and me, we are always doing like 8 to 10 different types of Christmas biscuits every year. It's a lot of work, but I super love it.
Yeah, hold it.
So guys, if you are interested in it, then you can like put it in the comments, like if we should publish it. Otherwise, if you're not really interested in it, then yeah, we will just bake it by ourselves and we will not like publish any recipes. Yeah, just give me a short comment. Yeah, and then yeah, we'll see if I will share it with you or not. But I'm super happy that this Christmas season is coming soon and we can start with the Christmas biscuits because I super love it. Like, have a big plate with like 8, 9, 10 different types of Christmas biscuits, and then coffee. Oh, this is nice. Some Christmas music, huh? And some candles and Christmas lights everywhere. What can you say? Okay, look how this Bulla smile is here, huh? Yeah. It's like we already started with our day like 10 hours ago and super like in our daily routine. Okay, what are you doing now here?
So now you have to mix the dry ingredients first.
Okay.
So which is just flour, 2 cups of flour, 1.5 packet of what you call this?
Yeast.
Baking yeast, and then 2 tablespoons of sugar. But I put 2.5. I want
because
it
this
little
boy
bit sweet.
likes sweet.
Okay, now we'll add some hot water. So now we'll add some hot water and then start with the mixing. Let's go. So guys, now we have to add in the warm water. So I've added 1 cup of warm water.
Who gave you the recipe, Button?
Huh?
Who gave you this recipe?
This is just what I see from my mom doing it from home.
Or is this smart here? Smart boy, he knows how to do everything. Cooking without recipe.
Yes, this is what we normally do back in the village. Staying in the farmhouse, there's no lady, there's no girl to bake for us boys. So we do, everything is, you need to give a try.
So is this your first try?
No, I've done this a lot. I just forgot how to make it.
Okay.
Yes, guys. So just keep on mixing it, and after this, then we'll use our hand. Now, can take it out from the bowl. Put it on the
Shall I bring you
table.
one thing for the oven?
Just add some dry flour. Yo, ker, my love. Can use some dry flour to dry your hand, prevent it from getting stick.
Whatever, huh?
Whatever, huh?
Wow, this boy is super cool in baking, huh? Yes?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yes, so German girls, if you're looking for a good husband, go to Fiji.
Hello.
It's just true. It's just true, huh?
Love too. Urolev.
Uro.
Urolev, my tau.
Hello. Uro.
Yeah, Uro.
Not my tau.
Oh, you're not my tau?
Uro, Schatzi. Bist du ein Schatzi? Huh?
Hello, can you stop disturbing, man?
I just want to say Schatzi.
So on the side, add some more dry flour. Let's get in there. Just keep on doing this, like try to stretch it so that the bun can be fluffy.
Fluffy like you?
Fluffy like the bun in Fiji. Okay guys, if our video is coming late, please be kere. You can go back, scroll down to some of our baking videos where Connie prepared like some German cakes and dessert. Or if you love our baking vlog, our cooking vlog, yeah, you can go down, scroll down and watch it. some of the cake which Connie baked, like I've never seen it in Fiji. I didn't know that, but it became to be one of my favorite cake and dessert.
So what is your favorite cake?
My favorite cake is cheesecake.
Oh.
And the Florentina.
And what is on top of cheesecake?
What?
Cinnamon rolls.
Cinnamon rolls. Oh yes. Don't forget to watch that.
Shall we do that again?
That video, guys. The cinnamon rolls.
So when shall we do that again? Tomorrow?
Yeah, when your dad celebrating his birthday.
That's in summer.
That was the right amount of dry flour. The more you mbakias, the fluffier it will become. This is what Suli, the standing bull ma, says.
The bull cow?
Yeah. The more you mbakias, the fluffier it becomes. I would say that's good enough. Okay, then just add little bit oil on your basin where you started the mix, and then just put your buns there, and then a little bit oil again on the top, butter. Yeah, guys, and then leave it for 30 minutes or 1 hour. Let it grow, let it grow. See you in the next 30 minutes. Guys, if you want to make it quick, if your relatives are coming and you're a little bit behind the time, put it in the oven, put it at 40 degrees. So in the next 5-10 minutes it's ready. Okay guys, now after 10 to 15 minutes in the oven, 40 degrees. Dong dong. Hey.
Smile for the camera.
Hey.
Smile for the camera. Wait, hinten daran. Posted in the family chat group. 7:30.
Katsi. So now guys, just make it like into a mandrai. It's still sticking. Use dry flour, and then just cut it out with your finger. Start rolling it. Use some butter.
Two days today was working in the truck.
There you go. Yeah, just make a shape of a bun.
And a big Bulavinaka to my brother Eugen Klassen and his family. Guys, we just heard from Eugen now that he's in the truck with their dog today. Tilda is sitting on the seat and enjoying and looking outside. Yeah, this $1 million dog, yeah? Is it a $1 million dog? Super, yes? Like a human.
Okay,
That's
now,
like their third baby.
guys, just take some butter and
Can I help you?
no, I'm okay.
Can I also make some buns? Like here?
So rub the butter inside the pot. So this is for steam bun, for like cooking, and the tray is for baking. So we have two types of bun. One is will go in the oven, one will go on the stove. So add some butter so that it's not sticking when it's cooked.
Okay, I want to roll.
Huh?
I want to roll some.
Okay. Wait. Go, you roll, I'll be the cameraman. So that's how you do it. So in the pot or in the tray, later it will grow. Yeah, if you have leftover, then we do manrai. Sawanga, make the manrai. What's the problem? Hello, all of this, we can smack it today.
Yes.
With black tea. Black tea. Memothe.
We do some cinnamon rolls.
Okay guys, here you have the coconut milk. So this coconut milk is from this can here. It's okay. It's so thick, so I added some like little bit water to it, and also sugar, and then what you call that? Coconut one?
Raspberry.
Yeah, coconut raspberry. So now we'll add this to the pot. So here you have the cooked bun. So you add it. See how thick it is. So thick. So until you bury the whole bun. So that is ready. And now this is what will go in the oven. There you go. Katsimatana. So this is going to the oven, and this is going for boiling, going on the stove. So this one is going on the stove. Just put it at 11. Not too hot, so that gives time for the bun to go. All right. See you later. Thank you, my love, for helping. So Connie is doing home office.
Now here from this side.
Guys, just in 5 minutes, see how high it grew. Say cheese. And look at this one in the oven. Yeah, not even 5 minutes. Already growing, huh? Yes, guys, we do apologize if our recipe or if the way we're preparing Lolo Bun is not right. We do apologize. Yes, this is just our own twist, so everything is just normal, like Fijian Lolo Bun. Some would add eggs into the mixture, some would add milk into the dough, but we just did it simple, like just flour, sugar, yeast. That's it. And then butter is just used on the tray. Some would add butter to the dough. Yeah, ours is different. Only the last part is just our own add up. So we put the coconut, what you call that, grated coconut. Yeah, we mixed it with the coconut milk. Yeah, and also the pot. Sorry guys, the pot which I used for cooking the Lolo Bun was too small, so the bun grows. Lolo Bun, Kachi, almost ready. It's more than 30 minutes now. I would say this is ready, so we just turn it off. Yeah, just let it cool down. And this one, Kachi. Oi, ratulilay, mai. Tawala mandana Bani Lolo. Tagimoucia drive. Tagimoucia kitchen. Santina. Me move. Okay, Bula Vinaka once again, guys. Yeah, Connie just went to the bakery. She wanted to have some German breakfast later. Yeah, I want to give a big shout out to some of you subscribers who've been commenting in our recent vlogs. So to TSK703, Bula Vinaka brother, to Jilakwong, Bula Ailangele 5600, Bula Vinaka, to Wainikiti, Windreketi, Valovina, to Benny, to Charlie Nekara, to Nobul, Bula Vinaka, Binabs, Bula Vinaka, Tsona Badau or Tsona Bakau, Bula Vinaka, Pasepa Titavua, Valovina, Den Tuitakau, Bula Vinaka, Salolom Tani Tamani, to JJ Ngoro, Bula Vinaka, Alferetti Soroutu, Bula Vinaka, Guna Bula Noah Lafonga, Uso Bula, thank you Uso, thank you for joining. Kia ora. Yosefo Balena Singa, Parumusu, Bula Vinaka, to Fijian 380, Bula Vinaka, to Aselana Ndruko, Bula Vinaka, Rosalia Iowane, Bula Vinaka, Kalo Ranandi, Bula Vinaka, Mama da became the Melomai, Mama. Nice Tiko, Bula Vinaka, Alicia, Naituku, Bula Vinaka. Iyo, we sotala tango sinrenu ili kambata boleh tunga user bla 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 namba na JJ. We kemene ngambu boleh tong menata muni. Au na shout out tukani. We tabale rusi. We vale mai unci. Bula Vinaka. Iyo, I think that's all. Iyo, para tuang kona unci. Sa mamana walu. Yeah, we woke up super early morning because of jet lags. Mandaga vese chartobio na mataka. Toto tu kona ndraki. Yung kona nito thangilang pitsama nito batungo. When we experience cyclone in Germany, it's always like this: raining, it's cold and windy. So while waiting for Connie, guys, I would like to share you one funny story, one funny jokes. So one of my uncle, he died. He was one of the victims on Cyclone Winston, who died. So his name, his always known as Mojen from Tavioni. Ernimo, his name is Ernimo. His nickname is Mojen. Oh, no father though I'll talk in Fijian because if I translate it to English, it's not that funny. Nunggu father though sa anto keni tamba ngas ito. Yo kondulala tu ngabat kernangone. Dulala tu ngabat kernangone. Nona na squad lala ambaki cinka lima ngala kusumpu. Si cinka tolu la kusumpu pato ka. Dorangona dona tangilam pa darumpiani adarumpi Tavioni. Sini tangilam pa lebsar. Ngai sketa dona ka India. Ada no babu orto bachiku chiko no bako ke bakai ko ngoni funa na bako ko na kile babu. Orto bachiku chiko ba dona kile bachiku chiki na bako ka orto samaru itu kin orto kenjeni lampas. Kenjago babu tu susunga susuto. Ge on menadanya ngai sketa rona to rona nga. Au chinadang sa malu munadang yo babung ke bila ko mele pangkaramay na nona to nonanga. The chickens and the ducks. He went and looked for the chickens and the ducks. Ko ngai rete ke me nona to ngai ali chiko nanga tamani nga sarang ayali. Pangkangkar siya sinimpulure mentani mati tu siya fasumbo ko enakor. Ko enakor li tar enakorika. Weh kento sinrete nunggu nga nunggu tamani nga. Weh papu senga. Lah ko aberto nunggu fada, aberto nunggu nei. Taruh ka senga sa ina korto bang ko na kurbul to bang indala. Sini baro baboy okay, usa reta ke mate kurbul mulitar kurbul. Na dambe tak sare kurbul inda nangun sala de kurbul rutu val nunggu fada mojen tu to bang. Fada mojen go kwa tu lewe ni matsere tu na hilltops, do na matsere rongo ko no lew. Orto na matin matser mertu stata kana live band drum oi awak ko ni salah kamay ang toman tali iyo guys toman tali talno ako to continue and then my uncle on his way up to the school oi korupuli na pali nungku fata mojen tu bangko fata mojen ko ni matser na hilltops orto the first band to start live band na drum kaya ha orto matin ni be matser ribi mertu 3 bulan na live band tu rong wa buk sartu ngai pono liu ya Tavioni raram pangkamya na biotela ya nunggu fata mojer ngone ando second sartu ngai kena liu nunggu fata Mika sa lengka may soul rest in peace ya tambe tak sartu ngo babu ikurvuli tambe tu rala kachi tarngi resarana kachi oe rangone kamdo sa sangare tango ko na tamaninga sini baru martuna lakachi babu okuku ni orang laki ngone kete ko raba grandfather juga vi mojen babu okuku ngauna saranga ko pasangkar sartunga karinga ngona saranga ko pasangka karinga sartunga fo okuku fasareno babu vi nunggu father mojen ko fangani we mojen arong mo nunggu father mojen iksin borreta nunggu tamaninga sinimbar same time nga sinimbar nunggu father mojen we papu senga au sinimborret aram besaran papu we tun tur terlalang nunggu ko pasang ka karinga nunggu ngasara ngur sinimbar mojen total apa sama tamu tangga sin do squad tu ngabat kerana kaci sin bero fada mojen we babu usia kan kona karito sin sarang kona karito sin bero babu we okay set au sare tek sare kurbul no na vananta ku babu me fada ke kurbul abu ke or ku fada mojen ku berlala kaci sin ila cio babu karito ambuta mainga nunggu fada salah kau nunggu fada mojen gori reda nero compound itu bang gori ngumbi tunga gori na nito raw dapat ko sama sofa outside sofa reda all the leaves are falling no need to rake it because you will get tired of cleaning the leaves. So just wait until all the leaves are on the ground, then we can clean it. All right. Tagimoucia Tagimoucia drive. You want to do the honor, Connie?
No.
All right.
Do something.
So now we'll try it. Cut the lolo bun which we cooked. Look at the inside part. Oh, it's so fluffy. Okay, we already see our prayer, guys. So now let's try. Soak it with some lolo there. And open the mouth. Karitong putameng.
Open the mouth. Maleka?
Questa catchy sarà catchy. Another 5-star here, guys. Another 5-star. Kalau that from domelo mundo sin metto quella namba nimo. If you're from Lomai with you, and you're gonna try these buns, you will say goodbye to your husband and your boyfriend. You would love to come to Vanolive. Boy. Mouth watering, man. Look at the lolo, look at the lolo.
Maleka.
Sehr mal lecker. This is the bun which we bake in the oven. So we try. Let's try. Boy, crunchy, man. Guys, I don't know what can I say again. Welcome to the Tagimoucia restaurant. So, this Tagimoucia buns, Tagimoucia Lolo Bun is just so amazing.
Hello and welcome to the Tagimoucia bakery. So we are restaurant, we are coffee, and we are bakery, huh? So everything in one. Yeah. Next time we do, I don't know, something else, then it will be Tagimoucia housekeeping, or I don't know, something like that. Yes. Do you enjoy your buns?
Tagimoucia cupboard.
Do you enjoy your buns?
We'll try.
Yeah, I will try. I will try. Put this egg in your mouth. What?
Alright, guys.
So, Patti, can we use this coconut milk for next time?
The same coconut
this,
milk?
yeah.
No, I would say we use the other one.
No, because
this
juice.
Oh no. That's already cooked. It's bad. So now the moment of truth. This German girl will try.
And then I will let you know which
Tagimoucia Lolo Bun.
is my favorite.
So that's the Lolo Bun, steam bun, which is cooked on the stove. Now next she will try the one which is baked.
And guys, I can really recommend to put the coconut raspberry inside.
Raspberry, man, yeah.
Lekker, huh?
Super lekker. So now she will try the baked bun.
And then I will let you know. Okay, which I prefer.
Give it like a 10 out of 10. Boil, steam bun.
Boil 10, steam bun 9.
This is steam bun. This oven baked.
This is boiled.
Yeah.
This is oven baked.
Yeah. So boil,
10,
oven baked,
9.5.
9.5.
And you?
For me, both 10. Hello, I did this. I'll give a 10, man. This is from my sweat, man. I didn't copy anybody's recipe. This is just my own style. This girl is fighting for this Lolo Bun, huh? I thought you said 9.5.
No, I was saying this.
Yeah. So Connie will have, she doesn't want to have breakfast now. I told her, today no more cooking. These buns is for breakfast, lunch, dinner. She said, what? Then I said, yes, we Fijians are like that. If you cook a lot of rice in the morning, you will have it for lunch and dinner also. So no cooking today, it's just tea and buns. Okay guys, we'll enjoy our food now.
Yeah, but then no, don't wonder if you also have a bun stomach, huh? A growing bun stomach.
What about this? Nutella stomach? Okay, come, say goodbye. Come. So guys, we'll say goodbye.
Thank you for watching our videos.
Say bula to our new subscribers.
Bula to everyone who's just following us or started following us. Thank you so much. You really support us. Yes.
Rinakava Kalevu, yeah.
Rinakava Kalevu, Loloma from Tagimoucia Drive in Sassenberg.
Yeah. Those of you celebrating birthday anniversaries,
just
happy
do the
birthday, happy anniversary. Just do the Lolo Buns ni Telingamu.
Yeah, in case you are living beside us somewhere, then this Lolo Bun Tagimoucia bakery shop can do that and come to you and prepare that.
Okay, Mode, Sotatale. God bless you. Stay safe.